Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put durability on Minecraft items. We'll dive into the core mechanics of how your tools and armor wear down over time. You'll learn about essential enchantments like unbreaking and mending, which are crucial for extending the life of your gear. We'll also cover practical repair techniques using an anvil and how to combine items effectively. By the end, you'll be a master at keeping your equipment in top condition, saving you resources and time. Two powerful enchantments are essential for boosting item durability. First, unbreaking significantly increases an item's lifespan by giving it a chance to not lose durability with each use. At its highest level, Unbreaking 3, your item has a 75% chance to avoid damage. Second, mending is a game changer. It uses experience orbs you collect to repair the item automatically. Just hold the item or wear it, and watch it mend itself as you gather experience. When your items start to wear down, the anvil is your best friend for repairs. You can combine two damaged items of the same type to create one repaired item, often with some enchantments transferred. Anvils also allow you to apply enchanted books, which can include mending, to your gear. Be mindful that repair costs can become quite high, especially for heavily enchanted items. However, with mending, you can bypass these costs entirely by simply gaining experience. To truly maximize your item's lifespan, always prioritize applying both unbreaking and mending to your essential tools and armor. Repairing items before they fully break is more efficient and often less costly. Think about using different material tiers. For instance, a stone pickaxe for basic mining saves your diamond one for more critical tasks. Keeping a stock of enchanted books, especially mending, can be incredibly useful for maintaining your high-tier equipment over the long term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.